So when we call about these countries with high potential, is you see, it's what we call as well for these teaming projects. We say these are jewels of excellence. So my idea is that in these countries there are jewels of excellence, but maybe they need to be polished. They need to be helped to shine. And this is what these projects are doing through the collaboration with other partners that maybe have more experience in how to polish. So the excellence is there. There are a lot of ideas and a lot of potential, but needs to be helped to come out. If we see already these projects and what already this selection for funding has brought, a lot of visibility. These countries need to be entering, and these institutes, in the arena of the international collaboration, and specifically in Horizon 2020, because the origin of the Spreading Excellence and Widening Participation program is that there was, in the previous programming period, a recognition that there was not enough participation of the institutes from these countries. And therefore, of course, there is a need as well at the national level to support research and innovation, so it's a shared responsibility. From the side of the Commission, the possibility is to help them in networking, so to establish this collaboration, to be more visible, to be able to compete for funding. So when we go back to the question, what is the benefit? If these countries are able to compete better to get competitive funding in Horizon 2020 or in other collaboration, of course, these are elements that will benefit the country and then the society as well. So I think there is a very good perspective in this sense. I have to admit Slovenia is amongst the countries is investing well, let's say, in R&D. Of course, the financial crisis was hitting everybody, so there has been also a reduced funding in R&D at public level. But I mean, this commitment that was shown for these projects as well, and in general as well for other projects, I think it's a good sign that there is a perspective to be more visible in the European arena. And this is what we try to do.